everyone and welcome to Friday, the day of the week for unboxing. Yes, and we are introducing I'm going to be doing some unboxings for the Wednesday as well, just to split the week up a bit. But before we even get into this package, a huge shout out goes out to I'm so excited I can't get the words out. A huge I've lost my words now. A huge shout out. That's what happens when you get really excited about a package. A huge shout out goes to Diamond Paints with TM, who has very kindly told me about this company. This unboxing comes from a company called Crafty Diamonds, who have sadly announced that they're closing down. And I really wanted to try them out before they announced that they would be closing down. And they've got some really lovely offers on here. I think I paid £3.50 for what's in here. What I can tell you in here is their cards. So we bring back some cards. And I can't wait. I couldn't believe the speed. The speed is fantastic. They shipped the same day. And I've got two in here. I'm really hoping that they'll have... There's a butterfly that I want. And I'm hoping they've got enough until the end of the month. Because the next time I get paid from work is at the end of the month. So I'm really hoping, fingers crossed, they've still got that butterfly. But they said that apparently they're open until stocks go or something. So, but let's take a look in here. Now, what I will tell you is one of them was one that I've been wanting a long time through Craft Buddy and also Amazon. And these guys had it at $3.50, I think it was. And look... Ta-da! We have got Captain Marvel. Yes, got to have that Marvel thing going on there, guys. But I'll just show you what the other one is as well. Are you ready? This is the one that I've been wanting for ages. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. It's Finding Nemo! Yeah. So, remember that I said I wanted this for a long time. It was on Amazon. Really overpriced. I'm not going to pay over a £5 for it. Then Craft Buddy had it. I think it was like $4.99. Then Tessa told me about this company and they had done that for about £3.50 and I think that's absolutely fantastic. So let's get into the Marvel first. So obviously I got this to sort of wind Tessa up a bit because she loves her Captain Marvel. So I thought, well, I'm going to get this and I'm going to whet her appetite and then hopefully she'll order it. Because once she sees this, I really hope that she gets it ordered because I really want her to get this. And this is a partial crystal and it is a card. So as you can see, really lovely. They must have some sort of affiliation with Craft Buddy because obviously they sell Craft Buddy stuff as well. But do check them out. They're called Crafty Diamonds. And they have announced that they're closing down. So yeah, so this is the card itself. And as you can see, we have our standard drill there. So we've got... get this out and see what we got. So I really can't wait to get into this. I love doing cards. They make a great, as I said, a stocking filler, birthday present, get well soon card. It just brightens someone's day up a bit. And they're so nice that you don't really want to give them away. But look at the colours in that. This is what we call a partial. So as you can see, it's a partial in there. Apologies about the reflection of the sun, so only this part here is done. Lovely, big, decent sized card there. We've got ourselves a free envelope as well. That's just in case you want to send it off. What I plan to do is to cut this part off here and then just put it on the wall as a poster. And then we've got our bag full of baggies and the pen. And then we've got our crystals, which look like this. Okay, so in here, oh yeah, look, we've got some crystal ones. Yeah, baby. Oh yes, look at that. Oh, sparkly. Yeah, man. And then lots of blues, dark royal blue, my favourite, reds, greys, browns, all sorts of lovely colours there. Can't wait to get into that blue colour. So that's the first one, and we'll put that over to one side for now. So I'm just going to put that over to one side. The next one that we got is this one. This is the thing, right? If you want something and it's not within the price range you want to pay, I think £5 is a little bit on the excessive side for something like this. So it's about shopping around and finding a company that's got the best price. And now what I can do is take this off my Amazon wish list because I no longer need it on Amazon. And look! Oh! I'm so happy. I really want to get that one. I've got that one, but I want to get that one. And I think Peta might as well because she likes OLAD. But let's take a look in here. Oh man, that is fantastic. It makes me want to watch the film again. And I think Diamond Paints with TM said she's got this. So when you've been waiting so long to get this, it's fantastic. So another boat with your baggies. Really good. And then in here, we've got ourselves the that is, oh man, it's a partial and it's got a spot on. The drills are nice and clear, it's nice and, you know, print is lovely, absolutely fantastic. They're too good to give away as a card. I mean, it's up to you if you wanted to buy another one and give one away as a card, perhaps whack a tenner in it for someone's birthday. It just makes a great birthday card. And yeah, got your envelope, and then we've got our standard drills. I'm really, really happy with this company, that's great. But as I said, they've got loads of offers on at the moment, so just go on there, try and grab as many as you can, because it is a closing down sale, which is really, I saw their YouTube video on it and I'm really, really gutted about it, because obviously this is my first time shopping with them, and yeah, unfortunately they're closing down. So yeah, look at that, that's gorgeous. Oh, that's going to be that colour there, I reckon. Yeah, look at that, some light blues. Oh, that's good. Is that a mixture of different blues in there? Oh, that's very interesting. Look at that. Okay. How bizarre. Look at that. See, you've got light blues mixed with like a dark blue in there. Oh my God. What the hell? What colour's that? That's that colour. But it looks, if you look at it, it's, I don't know. I'm not sure on that. I've never come across one like that before. That's interesting. Okay. We're still going to do it anyway, but I don't... That's a bit interesting. But yeah, that's really cool. So I'm going to put that there like so. And as you can see, we've got our cards, we've got these. And they do all sorts of lovely ones. So as I said, let me know what your favourite is, whether it's this one or the Marvel movie. Please remember to, sorry, the Marvel Avengers. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Please, please, please get ordering with Crafty Diamonds. There is a closing down sale. They've got this gorgeous butterfly on there that I really want, and fingers crossed they've got it still at the end of the month, because that's when I next get paid and I really need that card. So take care guys, and have a lovely day. Check out Crafty Diamonds today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and do all the wonderful things that you do, and I'll see you again next Friday for another unboxing. Take care guys, bye bye.